Hey everyone, welcome back to Python Pioneers. I'm excited to guide you through your next step in this programming journey. Today we're going to set up a key tool for any Python programmer, the Mu Code Editor. The Mu Code Editor is an integrated development environment, or IDE. You don't have to use an IDE when you write code. You could write your code in Notepad or Notepad++ or some other text editor like that. But the IDE provides helpful tools and features that make writing code more efficient and fun. Guess what? I'm not alone in this. Joining me is my digital co-host, My AI Guy, who will help explain some of the details. Say hi to our viewers, My AI Guy.
Hello, future coders. Happy to assist you today.
Before we dive into installation, let's talk about our roadmap. We'll be following Automate the Boring Stuff with Python as our guidebook. This fantastic resource makes learning Python practical and fun. And the best part, you can access it for free on its website, or purchase a physical copy if you prefer to feel a real book in your hands. I'll provide links in the description where you can get more information on either of those choices. Now, let's get started with installing Mu. There are multiple versions of Mu for Windows, Linux, or Mac, depending on what operating system you're running on. But you can get all of those versions from this website, codewith.mu. If you type that into your browser and navigate to this website, you'll land on a page that looks similar to this. If you click on the download button, you'll be presented with three options. Click on the download button for the operating system that you're currently running. I'm running Windows, so I'm going to click on download underneath Windows installer. You'll notice there's also instructions next to each download. Feel free to download those instructions and follow along if needed. Alright, the Mu code editor has downloaded and I have double clicked on the executable in my downloads folder on Windows to run the installer. Go ahead and read the license agreement. If you agree, click on I accept the terms and click install. And we'll let this run. The first time that it installs, it can take a minute, so bear with it. And I'm going to go ahead and pause the video and we'll pick back up once we are installed.
While you're installing, let's talk about why Mu is a great choice. Mu is designed specifically for beginners, with features like syntax highlighting and easy access to the Python interpreter. It's all about making your coding journey smoother and more enjoyable.
Alright, we're installed and Mu has launched. Now you'll notice that there are quite a few options. Mu can be used to code for many different environments. In our case, we're going to be clicking on Python 3. So if you have another one selected, go ahead and click on Python 3 and then click OK. You should now be in the Mu code editor, or IDE. You'll notice quite a few buttons at the top. Don't worry about what all these buttons do just quite yet. We're going to dive into that in another video. Congratulations! You have just installed Mu, your IDE for Python, and you're one step closer to starting learning to code. We're going to start with the basics of Python, then gradually move to more exciting projects like automating tasks or even scraping information from the web. Each video will build on the last, giving you a solid foundation in Python. We're here to make learning programming an adventure, not a chore. Thanks for watching, and please continue to follow along. I look forward to seeing you in the next video.